my hair color. So, forgot to buy aluminum foil, so I use plastic bag. Very smooth and very silky. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaiphei. It's been a while I didn't post any video, but here I am with a new vlog. Today video will be about changing hair color. I have a dark shade hair color and I'm gonna change it into a golden blonde by using Streax. Here is the box. Streax cream hair color here. Anyway, 7.3 golden blonde, and I'm not gonna bleach my hair. I'm just gonna apply it, and I don't think it will be visible, but let's see the result. This is my hair color, very dark. Bleach mo. Last time I bleached my hair and I don't like bleaching hair. So now I'm gonna apply this. Okay, let's get started. This is my brush and this is my glass bowl, and I'm gonna mix it all the creams and I'll be back. I already mixed it. I use 3 packets of this as my hair is long. Okay, I'm gonna apply it from this till down. I'm gonna apply it. Okay, let's get started. See, my makeup is messed up. I'm not good at doing makeup. Anyway, I tried. And then is so okay, I'm gonna bake after one of it. See, I need to turn open my eyes. I forgot to buy aluminum foil, so I use plastic bag. New technique. I want my hair color. Sorry about that. Now I have been waiting for 1 hour and it's time to wash my hair. I want my hair color to be visible, so I keep 1 hour, and it's time to wash, and I'll be back after washing and drying. Please stay tuned. I already washed it and will dry it. Yeah, you can see the color, it's visible. Beyond my expectation, it's quite visible. And I'll be back after completely dry, and I'll sew it under the sun. Okay, it's time to show my hair color. This is it. It's silky and smooth. Ako'y nopdan so nail jing may bleaching alabosa te adang so halo de sik kilat ng lamig labosa he dry but chung lang so hoy dio nasung ito nukot color ko de ko lapotok so do. Anyway, I'm happy with this color. Very silky and very smooth. This is under the sun rays. If you want to say something about this vlog, please comment down below, and thanks for watching. Bye.